Hello students, it's Mr. Joshua here again with another STEM lesson for you today. Today I'm going to be talking about electricity. What is electricity? Well, electricity is everywhere. The electricity is used to power up the lights, and it's also used to record me on this video camera that you're seeing me now, and also on your iPads, on your computer screens, even on your iPhones as well. It all uses electricity. So can you see electricity? No, we can't see electricity, but we can feel it. Today, what I'm going to show you is that electricity might be invisible, but we can use it for everyday needs. So before we start this off, I want to tell you what we need for our experiment today. First of all, I've got some balloons. I've got an inflator. An inflator is used instead of me using my mouth to blow the balloons. A spoon. Some tissue paper. A pair of scissors. And a small plate. So first of all, I'm going to cut some of this paper, and I'm going to make it really, really small. I'm going to cut it so that it goes onto this plate, and I'll show you why I need to do that in a moment. After I've cut out some of this tissue paper and put it into small pieces here on this plate, I'm going to blow up my balloon. Now remember, for safety's sake, I'm going to be using this inflator and not my mouth. And I'm going to get one of my favourite colours. I think I'm going to get purple. That's one of my favourite colours. Okay, so put the balloon inside the inflator nozzle and just pull and push on the inflator. And it should inflate the balloon like so. It's quite a big balloon, isn't it? Okay, so now tie a knot in the balloon. Be very careful if you're doing this at home, okay? Don't pop it. If you do pop it, just use another balloon, okay? All right. So now I have my favorite color balloon, purple. So I'm going to try and pick up the paper with the balloon. Let's try, shall we? Okay, balloon and paper. Pick up. It's not picking up. Okay, let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3. Nothing. It's absolutely picked up nothing. So what should I do? How can I use this balloon to pick up the paper? I know! We can rub it on our head. Let's see if we can generate some electricity by rubbing it on our head. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how it's done. So I'm rubbing the balloon on my head backwards and forwards, and we'll rub it for a few more seconds, and we'll see if we can generate any electricity to pick up the paper from the plate. Are you ready? Shall we have a look now? Let's see if it works. Okay, let's put it down. 3, 2, 1. It didn't really work that well. It did get one piece of tissue paper. Maybe I need to rub it on my head some more, shall I? But before I do that, I can also use something else that can conduct the electricity charge. What can I use instead of the balloon? Shall I use the inflator? I can't use that. I'll use the spoon. Now instead of rubbing it on my head, I can rub it on my clothing. So I rubbed my spoon for a good 20 seconds, and this time I got a lot more paper underneath my spoon. Can you see? That's it for today's STEM lesson. I hope you had fun watching it, and I hope to see you soon again. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.